I got this pop and go compact tool set. Let's take it out of the box and check it out. All right, so once you take it out of the box, you're actually going to get this nice case right here inside of this nice little storage bag. This keeps it protected, and the reason is this is a metal case. This is actually really nice. Then check this out. You just come over here and you just press this, and it actually pops out so you can take the tools out. So I'm going to lay this down here. I'm going to come on this side. Look at this. Pops right up. Look at that tool set. That is awesome. And then in the middle, it comes with two magnetic little boards here, which will help you when you're messing with small little screws and things like that. You can lay them on here and it will keep them from just falling all over the place. Let's check out these tools. So this one is the bit case. So you have the bits here on the front, press the button, and these bits fold up. It's got all of these specialty bits, super fine point bits. I mean, look at how tiny some of these bits are. It's like you could change the screwdriver to a pair of glasses. But again, it's got specialty bits, bits that you just don't find very often. It's got the torque bits with the hole in the middle, the security bits. Very nice. And then you want to fold them down. You just press that lock button and fold them back in. Then you flip this thing over and it's got these little plastic pry pads. And these are little picks that let you pry open. Like let's say you're trying to get your computer case open or even a phone or something very small and you don't want to scar it up. It's got these little super thin picks here that you can get in there and start just prying open the little crevices that you typically have to deal with on small electronics. It's very nice. You just want to put it back in. You slide it there, snap it back in. So that is very cool. They definitely thought of everything when they were putting together this. And then of course, here's the tools to use those bits with. You've got this nice little screwdriver handle here, which, you know, it's magnetic. You can see the magnet in the end there. So they just go in magnetically, which I like that. So you've got a lot of your standard size bits here, and then you can also use this to put in there and use these bits with an extension. So you've got this fine point screwdriver here that you would use with the smaller bits that are in this case. And it's really nice. It's even got this little like twisted base here. So when you're spinning something with your hand, this will just rest against the palm of your hand and then you can spin it. So this is on a swivel. I like that. Makes it a lot more comfortable when you're trying to get small pieces out. And if you need even a smaller screwdriver bit to use on those bits, it's got a smaller one here. Same thing. It's got a swivel at the end. Makes it more comfortable to use. Very nice. Somebody really thought about this set when they put this together. And it definitely feels like a high quality set. This is a really nice set. Would make an awesome gift for somebody that needs these type of tools. And then of course you just put them together, slide them back in the case, lock it into place. Take the other one, slide it in, lock it into place. Very nice. I really like this set. I think you'll enjoy it too. So I hope this video was helpful. Thank y'all for watching. Y'all take care.